So we finished the wood grain. We've started carving out the pumpkin for the Halloween town door. Once we're done with the carving, we'll do a wash of black to get inside the grains, and then we'll paint out the special areas for the coloring of the door. So as you can see, we've painted the inside, well, we painted the entire thing black, and then we're going to do a dry brush in brown and orange for the pumpkin. It's definitely coming together, starting to look like the door to Halloween Town.